Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I want to show you really quickly an answer to one of the questions I get asked most often, which is about palm rejection on the Remarkable 2. So in some of the other videos I've done really quick writing examples, but I haven't specifically looked at palm rejection. And in real everyday writing, that's what people want to know. When you're resting your palm here on the Remarkable, what happens? So I'm just going to show you really quickly. So this is my normal writing. I am just resting my palm on the tablet. So you can see here, you can touch it, you can have your whole other hand here and it makes no difference. So palm rejection on the Remarkable 2 is absolutely brilliant. And if that's a concern of yours for this device, I hope this video helps. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe. Until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.